Don't you think he should like smooth it out right here? Should like make it come up.
Yes.
And then right along.
And make it look like a wing. We talked about that.
Why hasn't he done it yet?
I don't know.
And also, he could cut it out, like right above the wings.
Yep.
Maximum airflow.
Yeah, that would look cool. What you doing, honey?
Carrying a windshield.
For what?
A car.
Cause Joe wouldn't.
You said for what, not why.
Where does this windshield go?
Goes in.
That car.
Freebird! Yes!
Finally got the alignment on it. Gonna drop the windshield in it. Got the tag for it. Insurance. It's all legal. Windshield in it. Then I gotta fix the exhaust back. I take all that off to haul it.
You've had this windshield for Freebird for a long time.
Yeah.
It's been 2 years, hasn't it?
I actually had, I don't know if this is the one. I had to look, go in there and see when the delivery date is. I don't know if this is the one that I've always had for like years,
Yeah.
or if this is.
It looks like
No, this ain't the old one. I think I put the oldest one in Daniel's car. This one I've had since
They take the same windshield?
May of 23, so I've had it almost a year.
Yeah, Daniel's Firebird is the same thing as a Camaro, so
Yeah.
yeah,
It's just Pontiac compared to.
I didn't know that.
Yep.
Yep.
a lot of
The
stuff
only
crosses
difference,
over.
Joe, is like the fenders and hood, grill stuff. Once you strip it down to this, like this is, with all the stuff off of it, they're just alike. Interior's a little bit different.
That's why a lot of people don't know this is a Camaro, because the bodies are so similar.
No, they don't know what it is.
Well, they don't know what it is. Yeah, like the Miata, they don't know what
They
it
don't.
is.
They don't think. Oh,
They don't
that's
know
a-
what it was
they don't-
originally.
They don't. It ain't the thing that they don't know if it's a Camaro or a Firebird. It's the thing that they just don't know what it is. And that's what I like about it.
Once you buy Daniel's car, it can be a Freebird.
I came close to buying. I thought about buying that car before he did, because I thought about taking that motor after I got this. I was like, you know what? Instead of me cutting this all apart, I ought to take that motor and everything and put it in that nice car and have a nice car. But it didn't have T-tops.
Oh, yeah.
I like the T-tops.
One
I like
step
them so
closer.
much. I like them so much that I saved them.
Why
Yes.
is this windshield so hard to clean?
Because you don't know what
Because
you're
it's
doing.
been there for a while. It's got lots of dirt, grit, and grime because it's been up there on the rack a while.
It's been on the rack for at least a year.
That's
Well,
a year's worth of grit and grime.
Almost a year. And it wasn't always in that rack. It was the one originally was standing up over the other rack. It's one I ordered for a guy and he never showed up.
Right.
And then once I got this, I was like, well, it ain't going to waste. I already got a windshield. Bought and paid for with my own money.
That was nice of your customer to give this to you for it.
Chicken wing on the back.
The chicken wing, yeah.
Yep.
That was really nice.
Trying to figure out how I could use the other one on the front. Because there's a video, a guy builds a kind of car like this out of a Corvette. And he uses a rear wing on the front, flips it over.
What?
Yeah, and it looks cool on there. I mean, it works. But that one won't.